Alright guys, so today we're gonna be restoring some Air Max 95s. I got these joints straight out the Goodwill. You see they got like a dirty sole, they're pretty like a little beat up. Just some a little bit small things I gotta do to them. But I'm gonna take you through the process on what I do and what I use. And we're gonna get right into that. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna take out these laces on these. And that's gonna be the first thing you want to do. Take out the laces, because you either want to wash the laces somewhere else, or like if they're okay, you can just put them right back in. But first thing you do is take out the laces so we can get all the shoe completely washed. Next thing you want is a toothbrush. A toothbrush is really good to use to get in like the crevices and everything, and to make it all around clean. Try to get one that has like hard bristles so it can really get all that dirt off. All right, we're gonna get into it. So this is the shoe cleaner that I use. It's called Shoe MGK. I use this on a toothbrush to wash most of my shoes, just clean them up a little bit. So pretty much that will be the goal we use on these. So we're about to get into it.
Hey.